Okay, so today I'm going to teach you about how to use the Moodle site as an administrator. First, we're going to go to the Site Administration tab. As you can see, there are separate tabs for each part. There's Notifications, Registration, Advanced Features, Assignment Upgrade Helper, and multiple different settings. You can scroll down and see those. But the first thing I noticed is the users. How to add users, how to see who you have in your class, different groups and things like that. How to add a new user. Also courses. How to add a course, how to request a course, how to restore a course, and grades. We all know those are important, right? So we have scales, letters, let's try to add a new scale. Grader report, grader history, overview report. Let's see what overview report is. Oh, so you can check the student's position to the rest of the class? You can change the appearance of Moodle. You can do HTML settings, even Moodle documents, calendars. And you can also change the theme of the site. Well, that's it for our tour of Moodle. Hope to see you again. Hope you watch